I want to make sport a constant for everybody at every level. The university has opened a lot of doors in the industry for me because of what they've taught me about the sport industry, and couple that with Macclesfield has shown me how a football club works. That has lent itself towards me achieving my dream position of working within a football club. Macclesfield, the international program, has a partnership with the university. They recruit athletes from the US to come over and play for them. Macclesfield really lets you know that you're a student first. I felt supported by the university, and I've been able to grow my skills, grow my aptitude within sport. One of my proudest achievements is the consultancy project I did while on my course in year 3. I created 3 recommendations for Macclesfield to help improve the International Academy. It's given the opportunity for me to apply my knowledge that I've learned throughout my time at the university into a real-world business setting. I've gotten a sense of how to conduct myself in finance, marketing, operations. My name is Daniel Humphrey. I just graduated from the Sport Business Management course and Macclesfield Player Development Pathway.